Are you stuck trying to install a package on Linux and getting an error that says EPERM, operation not permitted? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this frustrating issue together. I totally get it. Running into permission errors can feel like hitting a brick wall, especially when you're just trying to follow a tutorial. You're not the only one facing this challenge, and it's a common hurdle for many developers. Here's the situation. One user was trying to do the React tutorial on their local CentOS machine. They ran a command to install Create React App globally, but instead of success, they were met with an error message. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the details. So what does this error mean? The EPERM error indicates that the operation is not permitted, often due to insufficient permissions or issues with the temporary directory. Understanding this is key to resolving the problem. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to fix this error and get back to coding your React app. To resolve the EPERM error, the user should first check the permissions of the temporary directory where npm is trying to install packages. This can be done by running a command in the terminal. If the permissions are not set correctly, the user can change them by using the chmod command. This will allow npm to write to the temporary directory. Next, the user should try clearing the npm cache again to ensure there are no corrupted files causing the issue. This can be done with a simple command. After clearing the cache, the user can attempt to install Create React App again. This time, it should work without the EPERM error. If the problem persists, the user may want to consider using a Node version manager like NVM. This allows for easier management of Node.js versions and avoids permission issues. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of npm was released in 2010? It's come a long way since then, but permission errors still seem to haunt us. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests that running npm cache clear may not always remove all cache files. They recommend manually deleting the contents of the default npm cache folder, which is located at //.npm on Linux. After clearing the cache, you can try installing your package again without using sudo. Additionally, the user advises changing npm's default directory permissions instead of using sudo. They caution that if npm's default path is set to /usr, changing directory permissions could be harmful. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative solution from another user suggests using the command sudo npm install. This approach may help resolve the permission issue you're facing. Here's a pro tip. Always run your terminal as a user with the right permissions. This can save you from many headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the EPERM error and continue with your React tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.